So this is our interface where we will upload the test case document, and after that, Kane AI will take hold of the things and try to do the testing here. Okay, so as you can see here, we have a browse panel. So I'll upload a test case sheet by browse panel here. Yeah. So as soon as we upload this, it is previewing the file and generating our basically the overview of the test. Now we proceed on to next, and here we have the fields of CSV, and we have to map it to the certain fields so that the AI could understand better. So for test case description, we'll be selecting the description field, and for the steps, we'll be selecting the steps field. Yeah, we can ignore the rest of the cases and proceed on to next. Yeah, next. So this is the final output that the AI will try to focus on. Now, if we are importing the test cases, it will generate the document according for the test case, and as soon as we click on it, we can see the tests mentioned as we have given in the CSV. So now we will click on automate with Kane AI. As soon as we click on it, it will fetch the URL from the test case sheet itself, and we can automate it. It will take some time in order to do the necessary preparation for doing the tests. Yeah, as you can see, the tests have started, and as we have mentioned, the flow of the test, it is going to uh, do the steps one by one and trying to execute the steps. So as you can see, the first is a login button click. So it is trying to identify the login button, and then it will click on it. It will take some time to analyze and do the actions that we have mentioned. As soon as we click on login button, the next step is to focus on the mobile input box. So as soon as click on login button, the modal appears, and now it's focusing on the mobile input box, and it's trying to enter the number that we have provided to it. Yeah, it's analyzing. Hmm. As soon as this steps complete, it will proceed on to the next prompt that we have given. That's continue button. This one is also complete. The next one is for entering the OTP. As you can see, the corresponding steps are queued below. As soon as the current steps gets completed, it will move on to the next step. So on entering 1234 in the card input field, our test should be complete. Yeah, it's analyzing. Yeah, the test is complete. We are able to successfully log into our portal. Yeah. Let's wait for 2 seconds in order to get the completion of the test. So now our test is complete. I'll click on finish test. As soon as we click on finish test, we'll get to a session that is being recorded by Kane AI itself, and we are given custom options to store the tests into. So I'll just save it in Kotak login. Save the test case. Yeah, you can see the detailed summary of the test that it has performed and what tests have passed. Now, if you save it, yeah, you can get an notification that it has been updated successfully. Now let's move on to the part where we can actually see what test has been performed and where it has been stored for future reference. So if we click on hyper execute, it will go to the test that is being performed. So as you can see, this test is currently being handled by Kenya. So I'll move on to the test that is already complete. So for sample, I'll go on to the next step. Yeah, so this one. Yeah, you can see the pre-steps scenarios and the post-steps. So this step is already yeah. So let's move here. As you can see that we have a video here of the performed test, and also we can get the command that has been generated by it. The logs have been loaded. You can also play the video. So this is our complete test.